Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to another episode of the Countdown to Christmas with recipes. So, today I'm going to make one pot of potatoes and salmon with some veggies. To start off, I'm going to peel the potatoes. So, I have four medium-sized Irish potatoes, but you can decide to use any potatoes of your choice. In a bowl with water, I'm going to add the potatoes, then add some salt and get it rinsed. Then after which I will begin to slice the potatoes into my desired size. You can decide the sizes you would like to cut the potatoes into. I'll also dry the potatoes on a tissue to get some water out of it. To season the potatoes, I'll get it into the bowl, add some oil. Then I'll also begin to add some spices. I will list in the description box. You can decide to go with the same spices or you have a different spices to use. That is fine. I'll add in the melted garlic butter and also add salt to it. Then I will begin to mix everything together to have the whole potatoes well covered with enough seasoning. I will be baking the potatoes in an air fryer. I will use aluminum foil to cover the base, put in the potatoes and allow it to bake for 10 minutes. So whilst the potatoes will be baking, I will also go ahead and season the salmon with some natural spices, of which I will also list in the description box, but it's entirely on you as to which spices you would want to use. For the vegetables, I will use broccoli, carrot, bell peppers, and add some chili. So I will have them also cut into my desired sizes. To season the vegetables, I will use melted butter and some oil and also mix together. After 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add the salmon to the potatoes, sprinkle some oil on it and let it bake for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will add the veggies to it, put it back in the oven and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my potatoes and salmon with veggies is ready. I will just serve. In a bowl, I will transfer it and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I know that you will give this recipe a try. Don't forget to leave a comment or like the video.